So hello everyone, how are you guys doing? So I was making a website. Let me show you. I'm building it in Vanilla.js with Vite. Here's the problem. So now the website is finished. I have totally developed it, but I want to deploy it. So for that, I will normally run npm build. So I have already built the production server. By typing npm run preview, you can see the production server, and npm run dev, you can see the development server. So if I run it here, I'm having a problem. The problem is in development server, the website is totally working. There's no layout problem at all. But in production server, there are some issues like here, the navbar is not working. Other than that, everything is working totally fine. So why this is happening? This is happening because we have to check few things before running the npm run build. So the main problem is here that we haven't imported the components wisely. What I mean by wisely is here, as you can see, the mobile navigation CSS file is right above utils.css. So it's making an error. For that, the layout is breaking. So to fix this, we can just serially import all the CSS files. So after the header, I will just import the mobile navigation CSS file. So what's happening here? Like all the things are here serially maintained. Like first header, then mobile navigation CSS, then hero, then popular. Like it's maintaining its serial. You have to delete the dist folder from here. There's no problem to delete it. You can run again like npm run build. So the build will again run. It has made a new dist folder, right? Let's check npm run preview. So now it should work. Let's see. Look at this, guys. Now the problem is fixed and totally it's working. So the important thing is here that we have to check the CSS files paths. So this is a fix for this problem. You just have to check all the CSS files paths, and after that your layout will not break. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.